thought he was just a dream. There he is. He's real. Yeah. There you go. There's a smile. There's a smile.
Covered his face.
I don't care if it was just a gassy smile. You smiled at Jesus. That's good. Yeah. Who's that?
Who is that, Karsten?
Smiling.
Who is that? I'm kind of disturbed.
Do you know him? Is he your friend?
Who is that, baby? Who is that? Huh?
Who, me?
Hi. What is this that Mom's holding? I don't know. Look at that good smile. Look at that good smile. What's that?
Why you keep looking at him?
What he does with this one. Who's that, Karsten? Look at that smile. Who is that, bud? Who is that?
Oh, I like that one up there better.
Who?
Can you focus there?
Who is that, buddy?
I wish I could just get this poop out.
Who is that?
So, you just help me.
That was cute.
Do you know him?
Who is that, Karsten?
But keep asking me that.
It's like, don't you know? He told me you guys were supposed to teach me about him. You don't know who he is?
Great. Great.
I'm doomed.